Mr. Chairman, the rising wave of hindutwa in India has emerged as a serious threat not only to Indian Muslims but also to regional security. The RSS-BJP dispensation openly espouses hindutwa, an ultra-nationalist ideology marked by extreme animus towards Muslims. The Modi government is systematically attacking countries over 180 million Muslims. Incidents of mob lynching have witnessed a steep rise. We saw systematic violence and targeted killing of over 50 Muslims in New Delhi in February 2020. Discriminatory steps towards Muslims, including the arbitrary stripping of nationality and discriminatory citizenship laws, are horrendous examples. Muslims are even stigmatized as spreaders of the coronavirus. On the 5th of August 2020, in clear violation of OIC resolutions, the Indian Prime Minister had laid the foundation stone of a Hindu temple on the site of the historic Babri mosque that was demolished by Hindu extremists in 1992. A few weeks later, the culprits involved in its planned destruction, including many senior BJP politicians, were exonerated of their crime by a special court. International media and human rights organizations have reported this. We must take cognizance of these crimes lest we see another bloodbath of Indian Muslims.